In this video, I'll show you how to unlink your Instagram account from Facebook. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to this channel and giving this video a like so others can find it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to open up Instagram on our phone. Then go ahead and select your profile picture, then tap on the three lines that you see at the top and select the first option, which is going to be Accounts Center. Under Account Center is where you can manage your experience on Facebook and any account settings that you have across Meta. Now, to unlink Facebook from your Instagram, simply scroll down and select Accounts. Here you're going to see all your profiles. In this case, we want to remove Facebook, so I'm going to go ahead and tap on Remove. Remember that removing your Facebook account from Instagram will make you lose access to any connected experiences that you have, but it will not delete or deactivate your account. Here, Meta is going to show you what you're going to lose if you remove Facebook. Simply go ahead and tap on Continue. And lastly, tap on Yes, finish removing to confirm your action. And that's it. I hope this video helped you.